Hey friends, it's Natalia and welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm sharing my 2020 Christmas home decor tour. I've never done one of these videos, so I'm really excited about that. My house is less than perfect. I have 3 boys, so not everything is, magazine worthy, but I just wanted to share with you all the areas in our home that we decorated for Christmas. It's our first Christmas in this house, so lots of exciting things, new decor, but I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's go ahead and get started.
I wanted to start this tour off showing what we did to the outside of our house. We put up lots of lights. This is our front door, and I just love the way all the lights look. I am all for putting lights everywhere. It's our first Christmas in an actual house instead of an apartment, so we went a little extra, and I'm sure each year I'll add more and more. But I do love sitting out here and just hanging out and looking at all the pretty Christmas lights. We also put Christmas lights all around our fence, but unfortunately it doesn't show up on video. But I also wanted to show you our little Yoda, baby Yoda inflatable. I love it. So this is what you see when you walk in, and it's one of my favorite parts that I decorated this year. So much fun. Where are you going, Caleb? Where are you going? All right, so there's the entryway, and here is the living room. You guys have seen this before if you saw my last video, and look who's here. Our little elf. His name is Buddy, and he's been just going around the house at night. But here is our little Christmas village, and I love to put on a fireplace on the TV. And Caleb's enjoying the arrangement I have here. I don't normally leave that down because he does what you see here. Let's get that away, but here we go. Here's our tree. I love that the Christmas lights we put on this tree have different settings, so depending on our mood, we'll change them up.
So this is me at school when there was no coronavirus.
Yeah, that was you at preschool when there was no coronavirus, is that what you said?
And it was snowing.
Yeah.
It was snowing. And I blew this.
You blew the snow?
And that's why they have
Our snow here in South Florida, right?
And a picture.
Mm-hmm. Do you love your Christmas tree? My boys made the table, guys. I'm not going to share my whole entire kitchen because it's insane, but I'll link my kitchen decor video on there. This is our guest bathroom, which is also our boys' bathroom, and I put these shelves up from our old place. If you saw that video, you know what I'm talking about. So I put them here and put some decor up. I'm also going to be painting this bathroom soon, so I'll be sharing that with you guys too. So next we're moving on to Lucas and Noah's room. Lucas really wanted a real Christmas tree this year, so we decided to get one for their room, and we went with a Star Wars theme in their room because that's what it normally is anyway. We do love Star Wars in our family, thanks to my hubby. He's the one that is the #1 fan. So they decorated this tree. I didn't take a video of the whole entire room. Lucas was actually doing virtual school while I was filming this, so I could only show you a little bit. But the boys did make their beds because I told them to, because I was filming this. So there's the bed making for you. And here is this little nativity set, which is also something that was passed down from Ronnie's grandfather, which is the boys' great-grandpa. I hung up these stockings that my mother-in-law made. They're actually needlepoint and they're so cute. She originally made one for my husband when he was a little boy, so she's been making them for our entire family. Next, we're moving on to Caleb's room. I'm actually in the process of doing a little makeover in his room that I'll be filming. So for now, I'm just showing you this little area of his room. This tree is great grandpa's tree, and his little rocking chair and his stocking. I didn't get to do a whole entire film dedicated to some of this decor that you'll be seeing here, but I did take quick snippets of us decorating this tree. We're putting this tree together. This is Noah and I, and this is a tree that we put in their playroom. And he was all for helping me decorate. He did such a great job. He is my little helper, guys, and I just love this little tree.
And guys, this is the playroom. I can't even with the mess in here. But I wanted to show you the Christmas tree that we set up in here. This was like the very first tree that I bought when Ronnie and I moved in together. And so I decided to make this like the tree with like the kids' handmade ornaments. That was Lucas in kindergarten. Noah painted that. And just all the things that they like trains. And I just love all the pretty colors in here. And this is the tree skirt that I made, I don't know, like 7 years ago or so. And I put it in here. But I love the colors on this tree. I didn't find a tree topper for it, but it's all right. And then here, I got my little Target bullseye dog. And I set up like a little village for them in here. I built these shelves to put into this insert here. But normally we have Star Wars figurines here. But these were some gingerbread houses the boys made a couple years back at Home Depot. They have a kids workshop, or they had it before the world went upside down. But we got that, and this little shelf here with my 3 little elves and this sign. So yeah, that's what we have going on here in the playroom.
And lastly, we're moving on to my master bedroom. Here is a video that I took. I was actually going to share this on Instagram and I totally forgot, but I found the footage of me decorating our flocked Christmas tree for our master bedroom. I am in love with the colors that I went with this year, like emerald greens, whites, wood tones. I'm in love with it. So here I am decorating and doing a time lapse. It took me a long time, but with the magic of video editing, it looks like just a few seconds went by. This is the same bed set that I had last year, and I just think the tree really complements it and it just adds to the whole look. It's kind of like a woodsy winter wonderland theme. I just love all these colors. It just, the flock tree, everything, it just goes together so well in my opinion. And here's my little bullseye again. I just love that little guy. I love having this tree up in our master bedroom. I just cuddle up with a cozy blanket and just watch Christmas movies and just look at the tree. It makes my night.
So guys, I know I'm showing you this beautiful bedroom, but I want you to see the reality on the other side. Laundry that I still have to fold, my vanity with just a bunch of miscellaneous things in it. Still haven't put a new mirror up on it. And just all sorts of other stuff on my desk. I just want you guys to see that, like, whatever you see sometimes, like these staged photos, that's what they are. They're staged. Because the reality is that this is what my house really looks like. You know, who am I trying to fool, right? I have a hard time keeping a tidy house because I have 3 boys. And so this is real life for me. And I love like the beautiful parts of it, right? But, you know, I wish it could look perfect, but that's just not realistic. And I give myself a hard time because I want it to look like all those pictures that you see on Instagram and on Pinterest and all that stuff. But it's not reality. It's not real. I will fail miserably. Like, if that's what my goal is, then I'm failing miserably. So I know I need to change that in the sense that, like, not give myself a hard time when everything is not, you know, perfect and doesn't look like a model home or whatever. Because I'm a mom, you know, 3 boys at home all the time. And it's like so hard for me to keep up with the mess. But if you have any tips or suggestions, let me know. Mama needs some help. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tour. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.